Today I learned some more mechanics. This new part came with washers, but broken. What?
Oh.
Hello. I know you told me not to buy the parts, right, for the radiator bracket, but I bought them, right? He sent me the part and the washers are just all broken. Like clean, sheared off in half.
You sure?
All of them? Yeah. Well, there's 3 in here. Don't know where the
My flat.
flat.
Or they bent at like an angle and broke.
Oh yeah. They're bent at like an angle.
Just bring washers done.
What's the difference?
Oh, I'll stop it coming loose.
Oh, okay. So they're all right. I'm not being robbed.
Yeah. No, you've been fine.
Okay. Thank you. Spring washer.